everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to sign in DHL account. Now to do that, what you need to do is open the Google Chrome on your PC or in your laptop. Then you need to open a new tab. On the search bar, you need to type in dhl.com and press enter. This will open the official web page of DHL, and there in the web page you need to go and click on Customer Portal Login. Click that. This will give you this option, and from there you need to click on My DHL Plus. Click that. Now here you need to click on Login over here on the top right corner. Click that, and there you provide your email address. Then you provide the password. Now click on Login over here, and this will get you logged in into the DHL account of yours. You make sure that you type in the correct account credential, that is your correct email address and correct password. Only then you will be able to log in into the account. Just in case if you forgot the account credential, you can click on Forgot Your Password over here, which will give you the further instruction for you to recover your account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.